Also, that's the noise it makes. That is why, as you can see, it has a big difference in the bearings. And that is it. You barely can hear. Okay, and that's it. And it's kind of hard to show, but everything vibrates here. The floor, everything, when I move X axle. And as you can see here, see, X is 0. Okay, and that's where I started. But if you look, the reference there, where I started, both of the lines were together. Okay, and now it's still showing 0 there, but you can see the difference. That is the gap of the bearing. Okay, that's it.